In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Telegram credentials in n8n. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable connection that you can plug into your workflows whenever you need to send or receive messages through Telegram. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to your n8n instance and that you have the permission to create credentials. It also helps to have your Telegram bot token ready, since that's what n8n will use to authenticate with Telegram. You don't need to paste anything here yet. We'll get to the entry form in just a moment. From your n8n dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Personal section. Inside there, open the Credentials tab. This is your central vault for secure connections. It keeps sensitive details out of your workflows themselves, so you can reuse them safely across multiple automations without copying secrets everywhere. Next, head to the top right and click Create Credential. A panel or modal will appear asking what type of credential you want to add. In the search box, type Telegram, then select the Telegram option that appears. Click Continue to move to the setup form. You'll now see the fields required for the Telegram API connection. The exact labels can vary by version, but typically, you'll provide your Telegram bot token. Enter the requested details carefully and avoid pasting anything into notes or descriptions that you wouldn't want exposed. It's a good idea to give the credential a clear, memorable name, something like Telegram bot marketing or Telegram notifications, so you'll recognize it instantly when building workflows later. If there's a description field, use it to note the bot's purpose or any relevant context for your team. When everything looks correct, click Save. n8n will securely store the credential and return you to the credentials list. If you see a confirmation or a green indicator, that means the connection has been added successfully. Now you can use this connection while building your workflows. Open or create a workflow, add a Telegram node, and when the node asks for credentials, select the credential you just saved. From there, you can configure the node's action, like sending a message to a chat, test it, and continue building out the rest of your automation. If you run into issues, double-check that your bot token is valid, spelled correctly, and active. Also, ensure your environment can reach Telegram's API. And remember, never share your token in screenshots or documentation. That's all. You've set up Telegram credentials in n8n and you're ready to automate.